The thermal oil heater can realize low pressure and high temperature heat supply. It's widely used in petroleum, chemical industry, chemical fiber, pharmaceutical, building materials, textile printing and dyeing, food processing, and other fields requiring high temperature heat supply. ZOZEN gas and oil-fired thermal oil heater has the characteristics of fully automatic and safe operation, has precise control in oil temperature and pressure. Its thermal efficiency is over 95%. The coil of ZOZEN gas and oil-fired thermal oil heater uses the automatic welding process. It needs the strict pre-welding treatment on the steel pipes. The process of automatic beveling is completed by derusting and grinding the walls of the steel pipes to ensure the coil welding quality. The steel pipes that successfully pass the NDT are directly transported to the coil automatic production line. It has the advantages of stable mechanical strength, accurate positioning, small deviation, and high qualified rate of finished coil pipes. The automatic reshaping machine can avoid the forced assembly of traditional process. It ensures the coil pipe's neat arrangement, can eliminate the gap to prevent smoke channeling pipe. ZOZEN boiler has a utility model patent of coil assembly machine. It can effectively ensure the sealing between the coil pipes and avoid the coil pipes deformation, realize the more convenient and quicker assembly. The hydro test independently developed by ZOZEN boiler can clean the water left in the boiler after the hydro test and greatly reduced the dehydration time during debugging.